stay at my grandma's house. Everything's gold and beautiful. Everything's beautiful. Yeah, good. Now I'm going to show you a house tour. This is where we watch TV and all. The bathroom, Meg's bathroom, my grandma's bedroom, but she just came because she bye traveled. This is my room where I sleep in her place. So that's all of the house. And this is the kitchen. This is where I live. Okay, bye. Jesus bless you and Jesus loves you. If you like and subscribe.